What is up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore, and we are on Churchville Avenue. This would be video number 2 of our trip to the scenic overlook. Not quite sure the name of the town we're in, but again, beautiful scenery here in Virginia. Well, this would be Churchville. I'm still kind of taken back, like how scenic this area is. Just, I'm a big fan of brick houses. My grandfather was a bricklayer. He actually, I believe he did some work on Teaneck High School when it was being built, if I remember correctly. He actually had a motorcycle during World War II. Yeah, I mean, look at this. Something else. Big Sheila don't play. Big Sheila was made for these roads. Oh, here we go. This is what I'm talking about. This is 42 North. Oh, hell yeah. Bikes, a hot rod, beautiful scenery. What more could you ask for? Millions of dollars. That's why I played the Powerball today. Incredible. Incredible. So how's your summer going, huh? This is probably I shouldn't say that. I think we're going camping up by Cedar Rapids Bar and Grill in September. Because you know it's hot all the way through the end of October. This is something else. It's like scenery like this that, you know, just makes you want to get out and leave and not deal with this highly congested area and everybody's an asshole. And I shouldn't say everybody. I happen to be one of the lucky few people that I'm surrounded by good friends. These guys and the other dudes I ride motorcycles with, genuinely some of the nicest people in the world, and they will give you the shirt off their back, and nobody cares what you ride. As long as you put the smile on your face, you're having fun, and you can break some balls, it's all good. And if you like breaking balls, give my channel the thumbs up in this video, or leave a comment. That's what I'm talking about. Ranch house, brick. It must be so freaking quiet here at night, you can hear yourself think. I missed last year's trip. Again, like I said in the other video, I had to make a call. It was either pay for Cobra, which was $865, or go to Sturgis. And this trip has done nothing but make up for it hand over foot. Big Sheila has pretty good ABS. Yes, he is. It's weird. This is like a 30-mile trip and it takes an hour to get to, but I'm not complaining when you're looking at this. Topic for this video, shall we? Scenery. Does it make the video? I'm gonna go with yes on this one. I am just in awe of this. I mean, this is some kind of scenery. You know, up by us, you'd seen it like a painting or something. I would never get bored riding this. Man, this really is something else. I did not expect this at all. Where's the beef? So what do you guys think, huh? Friggin' wild, right? This is what Big Sheila needs. Holy friggin' crap. Oh, damn. They have a bridge for their driveway. I gotta say, this really is something else. Virginia is a beautiful state, and I'm just experiencing a small part of it. Again, I thank you guys all for coming along on the videos, and if you would be as kind to give it a thumbs up or leave a comment, I appreciate it. Drop these every Friday, 3 p.m.-ish. I hope you'll come back next week to see video 3 in my Virginia trip.